I do it by my side, baby. Support. Hello, thank you so much. And that's it. I do it by my side, baby. You're the one. Thank you for watching. I wanna understand. Hi, three people. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Three people. Three people liking me. Where are you from? Gab, para tabi doon ng kutsilyo, Kuya Gab. Kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. I can ride by my side, baby, till the end of time. Hi, Simra. Simra. Hello, Simra. Gab, pinggan pa, kuya. Kuya Gab, pinggan. Hi, 10 people. Thank you sa nagda-likes. Thank you for the likes for Hoggard. Thank you, Simran Kadka. Thank you for the likes for. Where are you from, Simran? Are you in Bicol, Cebu? No, I'm not Bisaya. I care, I do. I'm not Bisaya. I'm not from Cebu or Davao or in Subic. From Bisaya, I'm not Bisaya. Mother's parrot. 67. What means 67? What it means? Simran. Stop. Or so what if I let it down? I wanna understand. I don't want. Thank you, 11 people. Bye, Simran. Better you to Thank you so much. 8 people. What province do you live? Bicol province. Nestor, hi Nestor. I'm Bicolana. Good morning. Good morning to you, Nestor. Where are you from? I care. I'm from Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. I'm not Bisaya. Bisaya's good and pretty and something like that, but I'm not. I don't want to I live in Santa Barbara, California. Wow. Hi. Thank you for joining from California. Thank you, sir. I care. What is your real name? Nistar. Thank you, Nistar. Got me head over heels. Huh? What? My real name is Anthony. Hi, Anthony. Nice to meet you. Are you married, or maybe you have a Filipina wife or girlfriend from living in Cebu? Something like that. Sa Bisaya. You know Cebu or the Subic. Maybe you meet a Filipina living there or travel going there. Something like that. Something like that. I've been to the Philippines many times, but no girlfriend anymore. Oh, why? A lot of beautiful Filipina living in Cebu. Yeah, why not? Why not coconut? Why not coconut? Yeah, a gorgeous, beautiful Filipino living there. That's why Cebu, that's so because tourist spot destination here in the Philippines. So that's why many tourists, foreigner, going there. But me, even I'm here in the Philippines, not yet. Never been there. But that place is beautiful, pretty, like that. I come, Imran, Simran. Thank you for the like, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Love the fruits. so yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yeah. Yummy, yummy, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Hello, liking. Who are you? Little people. I've been searching so long. Searching so long. Oh my God. Thank you to people. Consistent, the two people. Who are you? Two people. Three now. Thanks for the nursing. Thank you sa liking. Thank you sa likes. Silip. Pasilip-silip. Thank you sa nag-likes. Sumisilip. Thank you sa sumisilip. Liking. Hello. Something wrong here, something happened here. Nothing's happened. 3 people. Thank you sa likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Wait, I need to wash something like that. Wash hands. Wait lang. watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I've been waiting for you all my life with somebody new makes me feel the way that oh baby. Ang pangit ko. Oh my god. Bakit? Pwede ka na. Hindi magalaw. Oh my god, hindi siya magalaw. Bawal yan, bawal. Please like and subscribe. Please. Bye. Subscribe. Ayun. Thank you so much. Yay. Wait. Wala na. Nag-left the, yung yung viewers ko. Where's my viewers? What's happening? What's happening in this world? Hi guys! All the life with somebody new makes me feel the way that oh baby. Oh my god. Antok na. Oh my god, I feel sleepy. Sleepy head. Oh my god. Getting hard today. Tired today. Makes me feel the way that never. Oh my god. Sino yan? Sino siya? Talaga lang ba? Talaga lang. Where are you from, Erwin Pitchan? Erwin Pitchan. Huh? Big, small, what? How? I fall sleepy na. I need to go to sleep na. So I need to go to sleep. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next live. Sleepy head. Meow.